Hi everyone, this is Kathleen Deontiveros, and tonight we are going to decorate a journal signature that I have prepared. And we're using this wonderful ephemera kit that I did a previous unboxing video on. It was 483 pieces of ephemera. It has washi stickers and these cute little papers, all kinds of different overlays, transparent overlays, and opaque overlays, little tags, just everything that you can imagine. It also came with a book that you could use to make a journal out of. It came with glue stick. It came with gel pens. It came with so many pieces. I don't even know how many journals I'm going to be able to make out of this. I mean, probably, I don't know. I'm imagining 100 journals at least using all of these pieces. So we're going to just get started. I've already prepared the pieces. I've added some of this double stick tape because we don't want to have to sit and watch the glue dry. So we're just going to jump in. And I did sew little pieces of lace on my sewing machine on this one. And I already added some of the flip outs and the pockets. So we're just going to come in and use the kit to embellish everything and make it really pretty. And this is the first page, and I made this flip out. And here's a little space that you can tuck some papers in, little journaling papers or photographs, whatever you want to put in here. And each of these also is a little pocket that you can tuck some tags in or journaling papers. And we're just going to see what I've chosen here. Okay, we're going to start with this one. And it will take a little bit of time for me to peel all of these tapes off. I do apologize for that, but this was the quickest way that I could think of to be able to craft with you and not have a 2-hour-long video. So I'm just going to lift that up and very carefully lay that down. It's a little crooked, but it doesn't matter. This is just a junk journal for fun, and it's a bit wonky. Nothing is matchy-matchy in it. Now, how I do these fold outs is I take one of these little pieces of paper and I just fold it in half. And then I take the paper that I'm going to add it to, and I glue or I add my double stick tape to one side, and it opens like this. And I put more double stick tape or glue to that side, and I glue it down, and that gives it this little tip out spine that allows it to have a hinge and fold upwards. Okay, so I've already got this is all taped into my journal. So we added the rose paper embellishment that was from my kit. And I think to the top one, we're going to add that. So I'll just come in here and start taking all of the little tape pieces off. I usually print on my ephemera and then cut it out by hand. And having this kit has just made it so much faster and a more enjoyable process to decorate my journals. Add that in. And then I've got 2 tags. And the tag I got from a freebie online somewhere. And the little decorative piece came from my kit. Glue that on just like so. And then we'll put it in one of our pockets. Oh, just like that. To our second one. that to our pocket. Oh, that's really cute. Okay, I like that. Let's move on. Let's see. We chose here. Okay. We are going to decorate this little pocket here using a piece of the ephemera because that pocket's kind of plain. And you could overlay a few of these. I'm just using one right now. Okay. And another tag. We're going to slide that into the little pocket right there. This is going rather quickly because I had everything prepared. And here's one of those little hinges, the paper hinges that I've made using one of the pieces from the kit. And I didn't have to cut the paper. The paper was already cut to size, so that made it nice as well. Okay, now this, a little tricky. Okay, so you can lift that up. You can journal on the back here, journal underneath of it. You could glue some more papers there or add a little envelope. Lots of things you can do with that. I'm leaving the back sides of the papers that are white, I'm leaving those plain so you can have lots of journaling space to write. Here's another little pocket that I created with a flip up using the hinge. Let's see what we chose to decorate with over here. Okay, I'm going to put a couple of these little pieces of paper from the notepad into the pocket to journal on. And then the tag, I used one of these little washi stickers that came with the kit. You just peel off the back and stick it on, and I chose this really pretty vintage looking flower. So that will go in the pocket. And then this will go on top. I like all these layered looks in the journals, and nothing is matchy-matchy. I like it to all have like this shabby chic kind of look. This one I need to add one more piece of tape to. So I'm going to peel off this little piece of tape because there wasn't room to put two pieces of tape on there with the backing on it still. So I'm pulling the one piece off, and then I'm just going to cut another piece to about fit there. And I choose one pair of scissors to be my tape scissors, so I'm not getting everything sticky. Lay that right on top. Peel off the paper. And again, we're going to be careful laying this down, as careful as we can. Try and get it even. The top. So that will be a cute little flip out journal on the back of the paper and underneath of it. Okay, now we've got this little narrow pocket, and these two tags came in the kit. I'm just going to slide those into the little pocket. We could come back and decorate this with a washi sticker if we wanted, or a piece of the washi tape. Leaving this side plain. Okay, this side, I have a washi sticker. I have a little pocket that I made. And so we're just going to take some of these little papers to journal on, the decorated papers, and we're going to slide them into our pocket. think that'll be cute. Okay, just like that. This a bit tricky to get the backing off. The backing is the shiny side. And that front that's dull is the washi sticker, that's the top. I try to just slide my nail in between and slowly peel that off. There we go. That looks pretty. Okay, leave that blank. Here we've got another flip up to go over here. Peel off our tape. This has gone together pretty quickly. I love not having to cut out all of my ephemera. Okay, little flip spot for journaling. This one was a pocket, and I'm just going to leave that plain and put one of these little journaling papers into the pocket. And this one, okay, this is another flip spot. It flips up, has a pocket right there to put things in, has a pocket on this one. This flips up, and there's also a pocket right here. So we're going to start off with the tag. I already put a washi sticker on it. That's really cute. I like that little bird cage, butterflies, and a little bird right there. So we're just going to put that into our little tag pocket. Okay. And, oh, that will go on top of there. So we'll take off the tape backing. And I'm just using the dollar store double stick tape because it's $1.25 and you get a lot of tape on it and it sticks really well. There's no reason to go buy expensive tape if the cheap stuff works well. Okay, line that up. So, and then we'll add our sticker. One was easier to come off. It curls up, so you have to be kind of careful it doesn't stick to itself. There we go. So that one is done. And we could add some little journaling cards into this side or some more tags. And, oh, this spot right here, I have a little tuck spot I sewed in. We're just going to add this cute little tag. And that's it. We are finished with this signature, and it's ready to go into the cover. Just do a flip through real quick to look at the finished. I could add something here if I wanted. You can always go back and add more embellishments, more tags. Flips up, tags come out. This turned out to be a really cute little signature for the journal. That's it. Thank you for watching, everybody. I'm going to leave the link for the kit that I used down below, and look on my channel for the unboxing video. Happy crafting, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.